In this video, you'll learn how to build and configure a JDBC pipeline in StreamSets to transfer data from a CSV file to a MySQL database. When the analytics team sent over the credentials, they also provided their schema, a guide to understanding their data structure. But there was a catch. The CSV file and MySQL table didn't use the same naming conventions. The field names in the CSV didn't match the columns in the database, meaning you couldn't just drop the data in without some adjustments. The first step was to pull both schemas, one from the CSV files and one from MySQL. With both schemas in hand, you carefully mapped each field from the CSV to the corresponding MySQL column. For instance, purchasing country in the CSV matched P country in MySQL. After ensuring everything was aligned, you were ready to send the data to the MySQL table, knowing that it would be correctly stored and ready for the analytics team to use. With just a little mapping, you ensured the pipeline worked smoothly and the data went where it was needed, flawlessly. Now it's time to walk you through the steps to create a JDBC pipeline using StreamSets platform. Let's begin. From the left navigation menu, click on Build, then select Pipelines. In the Pipelines page, click the plus icon or click Create a Pipeline to create a new pipeline. In the pop-up window, give your pipeline a name, Lab 5, File to MySQL. Leave all other settings at their default values and click Next to proceed. Now you'll need to select the right engine. Make sure the Global Transactions engine is selected. If you see a different engine, click here to select and choose Global Transactions from the list. Always double-check the engine selection when creating new pipelines. Using the correct engine ensures your pipeline runs smoothly. Click Save and open in Canvas to enter the pipeline canvas. Now, let's create and configure the pipeline stage by stage. Click Add Origin, and from the list, select Directory Origin. Pick the Directory Origin stage you just added. Go to the Files tab of the Directory Origin stage. In the Files directory field, enter the on-screen value, /data/stock.co.csv. In the File Name Pattern field, enter *.csv. Switch to the Data Format tab. Set the data format to delimited. Click Show Advanced Options to access more options. In the Header Line field, select with Header Line. Before continuing, go back into Strigo and make sure your session is still active. If needed, refresh or reconnect to avoid timeouts. Back in the pipeline canvas, click Add Stage and select the Stream Selector processor. Next, click the Preview button at the top of the canvas. Then choose Run Preview to load a snapshot of the data. Previewing at this stage does more than show sample records. It also loads the schema into every stage of your pipeline, creating a schema map that helps visualize how data flows end to end. You can preview your data even if the pipeline isn't fully complete, a great way to validate early. Use the Preview view to explore the input and output data at each stage. Once you've reviewed the data, click Close Preview to exit. Click on the Stream Selector stage. Go to the Conditions tab and click Add to insert a new condition. In the Condition 1 field, start typing the on-screen condition. As you type, the system will suggest available field names based on the schema loaded earlier. In this case, you will see one suggestion, Online Purchase. Click to select this field from the list. Now complete the condition by typing the rest as shown on the screen. This finishes the syntax and logic to filter records where online purchase is marked as true. Make sure your final condition looks like either of these. Next, let's route the data from Stream Selector Stream 1 to the JDBC Producer destination. Click Add Stage and select a JDBC Producer as the destination. Click on the newly added JDBC Producer stage to configure it. Go to the JDBC tab. In the Connection field, select Lab 4 JDBC Connection. In the Table Name field, enter Online Stock Co. Click Show Advanced Options. Scroll down to the Field to Column Mapping section and click Bulk Edit Mode. In the Bulk Edit view, delete any existing brackets or sample mappings. Then, copy and paste the code snippet provided in the lab materials. The code snippet looks like as shown on the screen. This mapping translates CSV field names to MySQL column names. For example, mapping purchasing country to P country. Now route destination stream 2 from the stream selector to a trash destination. This ensures that records not matching the condition are discarded. Let's validate the pipeline. Once validated, run the pipeline. Click Draft Run and choose Start Pipeline. This will execute a one-time draft run and write the filtered data to the MySQL database. Once the run is complete, click on the JDBC Producer stage. Scroll down to check the record count. You should see that 15,391 records have been successfully written to the MySQL database. When you're done, click Stop, then confirm by clicking OK to end the draft run. Great job! You've successfully created and configured a JDBC pipeline to send data from a CSV to a MySQL table. Now it's your turn to create a JDBC pipeline in the provided lab environment.